Miss Enid and the Obia salt. Me say, me have to talk about this one. Miss Enid, the big Christian woman, we always in the church, almost make fool of herself this week. Uno pull up, because Granny no keep secret when the tea hot. So, Miss Enid say, she start notice some strange things happening around her yard. She wake up one morning and see some white something sprinkle at her gate. Me say, the woman bawl out same time, Jesus, them who be me? No, Miss Enid not take Obia lightly, you know. She run in for her Bible and start sprinkle olive oil and call out Pastor Brown for come pray. But hear this now. She decide to call her cousin Merlin, who live 2 parishes over. She call her to come check it out. You see, Merlin always say she know about them kind of things. She come same day with one buckle full of things and one little bag with some mystery oil. Me say, Merlin start chant same time. Me say after 2 hours of chanting, and Merlin say she banished the dopey. Miss Enid start feel good, but here what happen. The evening time, Miss Enid neighbor who named Lester come knock on her gate. Him say, Miss Enid, me did a bake bread this morning and me accidentally spilled some of the flour at your gate. Me sorry about that. The woman nearly dropped. All this time she think I went Obia. I just Mr. Lester flour spill when he shake out the tablecloth. Me say, Miss Enid couldn't even answer him. She just stand up with her Bible in her hand and her face red like tomato. The moral to the story is, sometimes we love judge and we quick to jump to conclusion when it's just simple things are going on. But every strange thing is